Hi guys, thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I want to share with you this traveler's notebook layout that I am creating, and I'm using this beautiful pretty paper that Susan sent to me. Guys, I've been mentioning Susan for like the last 5 videos, okay? She sends me pretty cool stuff. So so you're just gonna have to ignore the side effect and just know that she sent me this pretty paper that I have never seen anything like it. I don't know where she got it. She normally comments here and there, so maybe we can ask her down below or whatever. But I never seen any like 12 by 12 paper like this. I don't know if it came individually or in a pad, but either way I totally fell in love with it, and I thought it would be perfect because I like to take my daughter. I like to take my son too, but my son's not really into it as much as Adriana. Maybe around every other month or every quarter, I make a trip to Books a Million, only because it's like the closest store to us, and we go ham on the store. So, I don't know if that's the right description, but so at the beginning of the year, we made this trip to the store and we selected new books that her and I were interested in reading, and I took pictures of her. This is a layout for her notebook. I guess I should have said that at the beginning of the video because I totally just forgot, but I'm working on this layout for her. I also did one for my own traveler's notebook, but I played with that off camera, so when I do the flip through you guys will see what mine looks like. So anyways, I took pictures of her going into the store. It's literally, besides Michael's, it's I think one of her favorite stores to go to, and so we took pictures of her going in, going through the aisles of what books she was specifically looking for. She's really into mythology right now, and a lot of anime, a lot of like even drawing to learn how to draw. So that's what she was looking for. I took pictures of her coming out of the store as well, and I printed these pictures 2 by 2. I wanted to be able to fit a lot of well, it's really 4 pictures, but it's a lot because normally I've noticed that my layouts for my traveler's notebook just kind of stick to like 1 or 2 pictures. So I definitely, this is one of my layouts that has the most, and I kept it very simple. I am gonna be looking for a soft, I don't know if you guys could tell with the paper, but it's almost like pastel colors, so I decided to go with the soft purple for the background. I'm gonna adhere the pictures to that, cut trim them, and then figure out where it is that I want them laid out. And if you just heard that, my son over here being a hot mess, you guys know, right, that I craft out of my kitchen table, and I have no secret room where I could go hide. So my son is in the living room laughing at me for what I'm saying and playing a video games, which I've told him to mute like 2 times, but this is my life, guys, as a mom. They don't listen to me until I get the wooden spoon. I shouldn't say that, then they're gonna think I beat you guys. I kind of don't, okay? Don't report me to child services. Anyways, back to the layout, because honestly it's been a long day at work. It's super late. I just want to go into bed, but I need to upload this video. So I'm not gonna do another voiceover. So you guys just please forgive the side stories or the side conversations that I'm going through. Still cutting down these pictures. Like I said, wanted to make sure I made them as thin as possible because I don't have a lot of room, and I did not want to cover the books, the paper. Like honestly, I like really fell in love with this paper. It is so gorgeous. So I'm gonna put one picture on the left page, and then the other three I'm gonna stack them on top of each other and move that off to the right. I now looking back at this layout, I feel like maybe if I had one of those days where my handwriting was really good, I could write the actual names of the books that she bought. Well, I bought them for her, but the names of the books that we got for her, and I could pencil it in so that it tracks, you know, what she finishes before the year's over. Gonna play around with the layout here. Gonna go with the center, and then like I said, so that picture is us going in. The top picture is her looking through the aisles. The middle picture is her coming out of the store with her little bag, and then the bottom picture is just like a stack of books once we got home. And I am a firm believer, can't even speak, but I'm a firm believer in encouraging my kids to read. I think it just helps with their creativity in their mind to imagine the story how they imagine it. Like even if I read the same book, I'm not gonna imagine it the exact same way as they do. You know what I mean? No other person could do that. So I think that promotes creativity, imagination, and I mean just helps in their development. So honestly, whenever I go to Books A Million, I could easily spend over $100, but I don't mind it because it's something that I feel helps my children. I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy. Why do I always say that? Every time I say something and I feel like some of you guys will disagree, I always say like, oh, maybe I'm just crazy because I think differently. I don't know, but anyways, I'm gonna accent the pictures with a few sticker words that are just positive, in a few embellishments, puffy stickers. And I think we're pretty close to finishing up the video, you guys. I was waiting, and this is the honest truth, I ordered like a stamp set that was specific with book reading stamps, and it never came in. To this day it still hasn't come in. I'm not sure if that's because it's coming from Europe, so it's like taking super long, but I was kind of tired of like waiting around holding on to these pictures to do this layout. So maybe once the stamps finally get here, I'll do something else. So just adding the title, which is new books. Obviously we're still in January even though this video got uploaded like a month later. 2 months, almost 2 months. This is still January, so I'm keeping her layouts in chronological order in the way that it happens. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Just finishing up accenting the pages, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you guys have any questions below. I will respond to them as soon as I am able to, or I have the opportunity to do so. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. I hope that you loved it enough to consider subscribing and supporting my channel. Thank you for all of you guys who have already. Thank you for the love and support, and we will see you guys on the next video. Have a good week. Bye guys.